Yeah, look, I've been doing the parade for over 50 years now. I left school and I started to work in the Farmers Display Department. Part of our job was to go and work on the Santa Parade. Probably 1972, made my first float. About a year or so later, the management at Farmers gave me a call and said, look, would you like to come back and continue on doing the parade? So it sort of started like that, and here we are now. This is in the centre of the Auckland CBD. It's a huge area where all the floats are kept. We've got, I'd say, about 30 big floats in here. It's almost like a calendar of my life, you know. So I've seen lots of changes from paper mache and wire floats to fibreglass floats. It's, when I look back, I think, gee, did we really used to make them out of that, you know? The floats are more permanent now to what they used to be. The paint in particular is one of the keys. I've been using Resene paint for, wow, it'll be 30 years ago, I suppose now. You can guarantee a good old dousing of Resene paint. That'll protect it. And I think it's the vibrancy of the colours, you know, because if you want to do something, it's got to be big and bold and colourful. Every bit of paint that I use in here is Resene. The Resene Guardsman Red is a top colour. Resene Turbo, Resene Resolution Blue. Those colours are like family members of mine. Oh, look, it gets stressful at this time of the year, you know, because you want to do the best you can. I have a problem of trying to put too much detail in, I haven't got time. And I'm not sure whether I should paint that a bright colour and put that on like a wheel trim, you know. Drill a 50mm hole deep into there, put that onto there. You've just got to, you know when to stop and move on to the next one. What keeps me going is the fact of my kids and grandkids and people around me that seem to love it. I'm pretty proud about it. I'm still here and I'm still doing it, you know. The fun that it generates, the happiness that it generates. It's one big event that actually costs nothing, that people absolutely love.